Now this case study deals with how do you compute the value of assets for application of place of effective management test. Now, as you know, for the purpose of POEM test, we need to find out whether a company is engaged in active business outside India. And for that purpose, one of the important criteria is what is the value of assets which are situated in India. So this problem deals with that particular part where you have to calculate what is the value of total assets which are situated in India. A company is said to be engaged in active business outside India for the purpose of POEM if, amongst other conditions, less than 50% of its total assets are situated in India. From the following balance sheet, compute the value of the asset. So you have to calculate what is the value of assets. Now, assets can actually be depreciable either individually or as a part of block of assets, or they can be non-depreciable. The value of these assets is calculated depending on whether they are depreciable individually or as a block of asset, or they are non-depreciable. When we talk about computers, these have been given to you that they are depreciated individually, and the opening value is 5,50,000 and the closing value is 7,50,000. For the purpose of assets which are depreciated individually, the value of the asset has to be the average of the opening and the closing balance. In this case, the opening value is 5,50,000, the closing balance is 7,50,000. So the total value is 13 lakh, and the average will be how much? 6,50,000. Second is building, which is depreciated as a block of asset. The opening value is 8 lakh, the closing value is 10 lakh. So the average will be how much? 8 plus 10, 18 lakh is the total value, divide by 2, 9 lakh is the value of the average value of the asset. Plant and machinery is, the block is given to be opening value is 10 lakh and the closing value is 15 lakh. But what you are also informed is that 50% of the plant and machinery were purchased on the last date of the financial year, and depreciation has been claimed thereon, assuming they were used for less than 180 days. Now this is something which is a normal income tax provision. There's nothing wrong with it. For the purpose of calculating value of asset, when you need to calculate the total asset situated in India, the date of purchase is something which is not relevant. What is relevant is the opening and the closing value and the average of these two. So when I look at it, 10 lakh plus 15 lakh, 25 lakh, divide by 2 is 12,50,000. This is what is relevant. We don't make any adjustment for this account. Land is a non-depreciable asset. In case of non-depreciable asset or other assets, the value is the book value which is considered. Now we are calculating the value of the assets at the closing date. Therefore, the value which will be taken is not the opening value, it is the closing value which will be considered. In other words, 30 lakh. So the total value of assets will be 650 plus 9, which is 1550, plus 1250, which is 16 plus 12, 18, plus 30, which is 48 lakh. So the total value of assets which will be there will be 48 lakh. Right? And that is how you consider this particular method to arrive at the value of assets.